PayPal gift card redeem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your PayPal gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to go ahead and then basically redeem PayPal gift card, first of all you can open the PayPal app and you can go to the paypal.com browser and then make sure that you log into your account. Now after you log into your account, you're gonna see this type of interface where over here you can see the option that says cards, and you'll find one of the options that says link a card. Now you have to understand that in order to actually redeem gift card on PayPal, you have to add it as a normal payment method. So you can just tap the link a card option. Now your PayPal gift card also comes with a certain type. Now most of the gift cards are basically Visa type by default. If you're not sure about yours, then you can select Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or whichever else you prefer here, and then make sure to enter your debit or credit card number and then the expiration date, the security code. Tap on link card and it should get linked as a normal card to your PayPal account. This way you can go ahead and then redeem PayPal gift card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.